I'm loving the vibe that you're giving me. I'm thinking my heart can be safe. A feeling I needed, and air I can breathe again, making it hard to deflate. Only thing on my mind is holding you tight and hoping you might can relate. I'm willing to put in the work though, cause nothing worth having is easy.
You know finish them on fight us. If them they run them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You know get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like
How do we get down?
I'm taking a locket too.
So get down and take the locket.
I can't see myself.
Exactly.
So there's backlights too. Where are they? So
they can't tell me nothing. Can't match my energy.
The police come over, will you run and leave you?
Why?
Fine one.
steady clean like properly. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, they want telling me could be not my fantasy. What they check if my dad be no wrong. But it they rush forever, it be much. Now go they make my car be the rush. Time on you touch, yeah. It they rush forever, it be much. We be hype everybody. You never thought you there from papa. Which kind money we never see before. Oh, sell me, got me feeling I'm the one. I never take my cake away. You can't count my grace. I just day my lane. Me no get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could you not my fantasy? They want to check if my dad be no wrong. But it they rush forever, it be more. Now go they make my dad be the rush. If I'm money we touch, yeah. It they rush forever, it be more.
Fun killer.
I let it fall.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Abna and I'm a Ghanaian-based medical student. Actually, I don't think this is the beginning of a vlog because I'm going to add it to another vlog, so I don't know how I'm doing all this introduction now. But hi guys, so today is Saturday. What's the date? 29th of April, yes, and it's UGMSA week. Actually, it was UGMSA week the whole week, but I didn't even attend 1 second of UGMSA week, guys. I can't even explain to you why I did not, because at the beginning of the week I was like, yes, I'm going to get content, I'm going to go and film for you guys, but I don't know, like this week I just wanted to be in bed. I've literally been in bed every night watching Vampire Diaries. Like I didn't even bother to go to school, but today I gingered myself up to go for the beach day so I can get content. Okay, so we have a beach day at ACCRA today. I'm supposed to go to school at 11 to join the bus. It's like 9, it just turned 9, so I'm about to start getting ready. And I just wanted to introduce the vlog. Before that, guys, I need to throw out my flowers because I feel like my room smells like flowers. You know, let me show you guys the flowers. This is what the flowers look like now. I'll put how they looked like when they came, right? They were so pretty. I couldn't really take care of them well, and I can explain. You see, they're even like literally falling out. I can explain why I couldn't take care of them well, right? This one really wasn't my fault. But yeah, and then when I received them, they smell like really fresh and nice and everything, but now I feel like they just smell like flowers. And see, it's very strong. I don't know if you know what flowers smell like. Okay, obviously you know what flowers smell like, but it's a very strong scent, and I feel like my room is starting to smell like flowers. So I've already thrown some out in the bin because I felt like the vase was crowded, and it was also part of why they were dying fast. But I'm going to do the rest out this morning. I don't know what I'll eat before I go. I was planning on, so yesterday I bought shawarma from Burger to Go, which was really good, by the way. That was my first time. Like, I took a risk even ordering that shawarma, but it was actually really nice. I was going to have that with like fries this morning. I was going to make fries, but I don't think I have time to do all of that, so I might just eat cake for breakfast. It doesn't, let me know if it acts like it's weird for me to eat cake for breakfast, because that's what I've been doing this whole week. Cake for breakfast, lunch, supper, dinner. I've been eating cake. So I'll show you guys my birthday cake. Okay, it was also so pretty. I'll put like a clip of what it looked like before, but when I'm eating I'll show you guys as well. Yeah, I feel like this flower scent is a bit much, so I'm just going to throw out the rest, like the whole flower, and then I'll get ready. And I'm sure by the time I get out of the shower, my friend would have come. My friend, did I mention that my friend is coming over to get ready? Yeah, my friend is coming here to get ready, and then we'll go together. We'll go to school together. Okay, so yeah, hopefully it's a fun day. I'll vlog the day for you guys, so you guys see how medical students turn out. And yes, another reason I wanted to do this intro is because I wanted to say that I put something in my community tab, right? So I put like an anonymous question link for you guys to ask me questions. I actually got quite a number of questions. I'm so grateful for everyone who has asked me a question, but I haven't filmed the video yet. So in case you didn't see the post on my community tab, you could go to my channel page and then go to the community tab and click on the link and ask whatever question you want to ask. And yeah, I feel like a lot of the questions were medical school related. Like, you people don't want to know my favorite color, no. You people don't want to know my dream holiday destination, my favorite movie, no. Really? But anyways, I'm so grateful for the questions. So I'll probably film that video tomorrow or maybe Monday, but this video will definitely go up before that video. So if you still have any questions you want to ask me, feel free to click the link and ask your questions. And yeah, I'm going to do my thing and then get ready. So I've taken my shower and everything, and my friend is still not here, so I'm just going to eat now. Well, I'm eating cake, but yeah, it's already 10:30, and if she doesn't come right now, we'll actually be late. But yeah, I'm actually setting myself up by eating this for breakfast. Let me show you guys the cake. It's the cake. Well, this is what is left of it. I'll show you what it looked like when it came. I'm just going to be having some of this for breakfast.
Bitches want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much, I hit my conscience. Third day, pop out the phone. I like when you bring girl, I like all the violence, give me this function.
Say that, man. It's only out
I'm chillin' on the west side, boo. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low, no location. I don't want them singing, getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick it with a tie. They won't tell, cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off cause you're calling off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. You make me feel low. Get there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn that look together. Come here, cause it's time. Hold you for now.
know be OG, but if you ask them, them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Love you, seen the way to believe I do the world I've seen her. We are nobody who Jehovah. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the bold that they bar? That's all they move to Shita. And then I really put you to bar.
What you adding to this, my children? Really? This is why you want to put me on YouTube?